Hello, chess lover, and welcome in our 10th episode of Chess Puzzles. We are going to have fun and train with simple combinatorial exercises with checkmate in 2. You surely know that to be a successful chess player, you need to practice every day to keep your mind trained. So I invite you to join in our community. It's free anyway. I remind you that during the video you will find an extra exercise that was proposed in one of the shorts, and we will see the solution together. Let's start the first exercise. Find checkmate in 2 moves to black. Okay, let's start solving this puzzle. Queen g1, check. King h3. Queen g2, checkmate. Let's move on with the second exercise. Find checkmate in 2 moves, move to black. Well, let's get to work on solving this puzzle. King g3, pawn d7, pawn e2, checkmate. Let's proceed with the third exercise. Find checkmate in 2 moves, move to white. Okay, let's tackle this exercise.
Rook s7,
King a2,
Rook s6,
checkmate. All right, let's solve this puzzle. Find checkmate in 2 moves, move to black. Okay, let's tackle this puzzle together. Pawn g5, check. King h5,
Queen h3,
checkmate. Let us move forward with the 5th exercise. Find checkmate in 2 moves, move to white. Okay, let's solve this exercise. King f1,
Rook f3,
Rook h8, checkmate. Let's move on to the 6th exercise. Find checkmate in 2 moves, move to white. Okay, let's solve this exercise together.
Rook g8, check.
King g8,
Queen e8, check.
Agree, let's find the solution to this puzzle. Find checkmate in 2 moves, move to black. Okay, let's find out the resolution of this puzzle.
Rook g2, check.
King h4, Rook h7, checkmate. Let's continue calculating with the 10th exercise. Find checkmate in 2 moves, move to white. Okay, now I will show you the solution.
Queen b3, check.
King f5,
Bishop c3,
checkmate. Let's keep the rhythm going with the 11th exercise. Find checkmate in 2 moves, move to white. Okay, let's look at the solution together.
Queen f7, check.
King h7, Queen g7, checkmate. Let's proceed with the 12th exercise. Find checkmate in 2 moves, move to white. Let's continue with solution of this exercise. Rook h8, check.
Rook g8, Rook g8,
Checkmate. Well, now let's look together at the exercise that was proposed in one on the shorts with checkmate in 8 moves. And I remind you to write in the comments if you had any problems in the exercises or if you found any other moves. Okay, first of all, if white moves pawn f3, the game finish and draw. Because black king isn't under check and he don't have any moves. And so we move the king to d5 to leave an extra cell in which the black king can move. King d7. Okay, our plan now is to bring black's king to the center and checkmate him. So we block the cell in e4 by pushing the pawn in f3. Black has only one cell in which he can move. So king c7. And now we start to bring the king toward the center. So bishop d8 check. King d7. Now we move the king to c5 to give black a possibility to move the king in e6 and bring it to the center. Now we are going to block the cell d7 with knight c8, leaving again only one cell to black. So king e5. And now we end the game with pawn in d4, checkmate. Okay, we have come to the end of this video. For sure now you have warmed up to do more hard exercises and become slightly stronger. Remember that success in life you will achieve with small steps. Continue like that. One day, with the right perseverance, you too will become a great master. If you can imagine it, then you can do it in reality too. I remind all of you to write in the comments how many exercises you have solved, or if you had difficulty in any of the exercises. This will help us understand what level of game force it is in our community. To practice every day and reinforce your calculating power, subscribe in our community. It is free anyway.